Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're gonna review this scrubber that I got sent out for review. And let me tell you that I was a little bit skeptical about this one, and I was pretty amazed by it. It includes all of these brushes and this stick that it can be adjusted, a lot of sponges, and some brushes with different textures, so you can actually clean different type of surfaces with this. It also has these cables, so you can charge it through a USB-C cable and USB. It doesn't include the power brick, but you will be charging it with any power brick that has normal USB. Okay, so this is the handle, and you will be putting it together like this, and now you will be putting this part, and then at the end you will be adding the type of scrub that you want to use to clean. This is how it turns when you turn it on, and this is the brush that we are testing right now. And it has different types of speeds, and actually you can turn this part so you can scrub it in different angles as well. Here is a different speed, like faster. Okay. Has 1, 2, and 3 speeds. Okay, so now let's just see how we can charge it. You will be using the USB-C part from this side, and then you will have to have a power brick to connect it to the power outlet, and this will indicate that it's charging. Once that it's everything charged, this also is a net where you will be putting all your brushes so they are not running around, and you have them all close by. Here you will store them. And also this handle, you can make it longer by just pulling it like so with this black button, and start using it depending on how high or how low is the part that you want to clean. Now, this is how we usually clean our bathtub or your shower, doing this with this brush and on your knees usually is what we do, right? Well, not anymore. With this brush, you don't have to be doing that. You will be just standing comfortably and using this handle with this brush, and it will actually be very helpful and very convenient for everybody. Like for me as a mom, I just need to make things quicker so I can spend more time with my kids and do other chores. So this one will actually help me a lot to keep my bathtub clean. As you can see, the brush is super good at cleaning and having everything very well brushed, right? And of course you can use the sponges for some other surfaces, or you can actually use the same depending on how dirty your bathtub or shower is. And this handle, it's really soft, so it won't be damaging your hand at all. Okay, so this is super helpful, and you don't have to be on your knees scrubbing and scrubbing like before. I am really happy that I got sent out this brush for review because I am going to be using it a lot. I already got my uncle and my auntie another one because I am obsessed with this one.